Data shows that your first home purchase probably isn't going to be your last. The average length of home ownership is about 8 years, so statistically speaking, the first home that you purchase more than likely could be the first of many. Your first home purchase is typically a stepping stone to the next. It's a learning curve, a chance to understand the ins and the outs of property maintenance, renovations, and property management. It's an opportunity for you to learn and grow as a homeowner and to learn from your mistakes. Now, it's perfectly natural to want to find a home that has everything that you're looking for, your dream home, right? But it's also very important to remember that real estate is an investment. And it's probably one of the biggest investments that you're going to make in your lifetime. The more that we experience in life, the more our wants and needs tend to evolve and change. Think about it. How do you feel when you purchase a new outfit, a pair of shoes, maybe a car? Pretty excited, right? Do you feel the same way 6 to 12 months later? Probably not. You've probably found a few things that you could change or might like better if it had this or that. If you find a home that has 70% of what you're looking for, that could be a big win. Planning for the future may also play a very big role in your first home purchase. Do you plan on renting out that first home when you purchase your next home? If so, the size of that home could significantly impact your future maintenance as a landlord. Owning real estate allows you to reap the rewards and the benefits of property value increases through establishing and building equity. Whereas waiting on the sidelines while not owning real estate simply means that you'll more than likely pay more when you do eventually purchase your first home. Now, considering all of this and more can help you successfully build lasting wealth through investing in real estate. As always, I hope that this helps. Comment below with your thoughts. Like and share this video, and don't forget to click the bell and subscribe for more real estate and mortgage tips.